Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this presentation. Tonight's menu item comes from Germany. And tonight is Frikadellen. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. The day-old bread and some milk. The day-old bread soaking in the milk. Heating up some oil in my saute pan. I add the onions and saute for a few minutes. Then I add the garlic and saute for about another minute. Add the onions and garlic to the pork and beef. All the goodies for the frikadellen. Everything in the bowl. Here it is, all mixed up and ready to go. Here are 4 frikadellen. And they go into the cold box for about 15-20 minutes. The hot jacuzzi is ready for the egg noodles. The egg noodles are taking a bath. The carrots are in the water, ready to put on some heat. I add some oil to the saute pan, and I add the frikadellen. Then I flip to the second side. And then I drain the carrots and add the butter and brown sugar. And here's the finished carrots. And here's the finished egg noodles. I'm adding the butter to the egg noodles. And here's the final presentation for the evening. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Have fun cooking.